Bob Marley c'est un blanc maintenant. Bob Marley is a white man. Why? Pour qui ça? Parce que papa, c'est un blanc maintenant. Norval Sinclair Marley. Sou pat konen, jodi an, wap apren sa. Why is Bob Marley a white man? Because his father, Norval Sinclair Marley, is a white man. And if you didn't know today, you're going to learn. You're going to learn today. You are whatever your father is. N'importe sa pa pou ye, c'est ça que ou ye. Et Bob Marley, que un pile moun pense qui sont Jamaïcains, un pile moun pense qui sont moun noir, monsieur pas un moun noir. He's not a black man. He's not Jamaican. He is his father's seed. He's a white man. Li pa Jamaïcain, li son blanc maintenant. Quel que soit sa propre hier, c'est ça que est. M'pas besoin connaître si maman son moun noir, si maman son arabe, si maman son chinois. Moun que maman couche avec lui, hein, moun sa race li ap déterminer qui ça que est. I don't care if your mother is black, if your mother is white, if your mother is Chinese. Whoever your mother sleeps with, his race determine your race. His race determine who you are. This is the reason why Bob Marley is not Jamaican. Thus is the reason why Bob Marley is not black. Because his father, although he slept with a Jamaican young girl at the time, his father is white. C'est pour raison ça que Bob Marley, malgré maman, c'est une petite jeune fille jamaïcaine, mais lui-même, li pa un Jamaïcain, li pa un moun noir pour qui ça? Parce que papa, son blanc maintenant que lié. Ou c'est petit papa. You are your father's seed. And you love Bob Marley. You love to smoke weed. Because the white man is your daddy. Ou aime Bob Marley, ou aime fumer boys. Parce que blanc maintenant, c'est papa ou que lié. Et puis dreadlock, pas coutume nous non plus. Dreadlock is not our custom. We'll talk about that another day. N'a parlé sous ça en l'autre l'air. Coupez dread, yo. Cut up them dreadlocks. Shalom.